Here's a challenge. Put your finger on the screen right now. Try to touch my head. Dang it. It touched my face. Did you like it? Hey Panini, don't you be a meanie. Welcome back to Design Chicken Chicken. Guys, we are so close to the ultimate grand final of the largest season to date. 64 participants. Last round, we had Marcus Yellow Mustard Moline taking on Victoria Little French Voice Burgle. And guess what? We have our first participant in the ultimate grand final round. You guys voted. Here were the vote results. And now Marcus is taking his spot in the grand final. Who will he be going up against? So fantastic work to you, Marcus. Me and all of the design champions wish you the best of luck in the final. And I also want to give a very big congratulations to Victoria. You did fantastic work through the whole entire tournament. Guys, please go follow her Instagram here and show her some support. Thank you very much. What do we gotta do today? I'm making a list, checking it never. Gonna find out who's better or nice. Who will take their place in the final? Will it be Joe, the lacrosse prodigy Harris? Or will it be Pedro, Life, Ira? Which chicken will plant an egg in the grand final and possibly have the chance of winning everything and the majority portion of $1,000? The whole thing's incredible. Let's take a look at the work that Joe did in the last round. Him and Pedro both did the new football kit design for Germany for the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Here was Joe's work, very nice. And here was the work that Pedro put together, very good work. They both bested their opponents to make it here to the final four. Before we continue, let's remind ourselves about the brief. Remember, there's a large city on Mars, so the Mars Connected Company is building a subway system. Gonna be very extravagant. They have to create, number one, a subway system map. Number two, a logo for the subway system. And number three, some sort of wayfinding signage. Got it right. The only necessary things for this design is that it doesn't reflect the surface of Mars. They want something that is either reminding them of Earth or helping them feel nurtured and safe and pleasant underground. The judging criteria will be threefold. Number A, the subway system logo. Name two, creativity. Third thing, informational clarity. Is the map and the wayfinding system clear for passengers? I don't know. All right, Tater Tots, Tasty Toys. It's time for us to jump in and actually see the process of what Joe made. Let's start with Joe, the lacrosse prodigy Harris. Ready, set, go. Mars Metro. Ooh, that's cool. Do you guys know why his name is Lacrosse Prodigy? Probably not, because we haven't said it. But Joe's called the Lacrosse Prodigy because actually last summer he played in the Lacrosse World Championships representing Wales. It was in Israel. I wonder if there's any footage online of the games. That'd be so cool. Maybe we could see Joe playing. That'd be really awesome. Anyways, that's why we named him the Lacrosse Prodigy. You understand? Okay, this is cool. He's I imagine this is the line mock-ups, not mock-up designs. You know what it is. Let me make sure I get the program right this time. Okay, I'm certain he's an illustrator. Before I did not do well with Victoria's. I thought she was an illustrator. It's okay. It happens. Mistakes were made. No. Okay. So far he's got a green, purple, blue, red. I'm really interested to see what kind of themes or theme Joe will come up with for the station names. When I gave the brief, I said coming up with, something creative would probably help push the design a little bit further. That'd be fun. So that's the logo, the MM. I really like that, actually. I think the whole circle beneath it is kind of a play off of like the horizon of a planet, something like that. That's really cool. And did you guys see what he was naming things? I wasn't really paying attention because I was talking like usual. Dang, I gotta be quiet. Oh no. Apollo 13. Yeah, I saw Matt Damon over there. A New Hope. Interstellar. Starman. Final Countdown. Red Planet. I feel like these are all movies, but yeah, Armageddon was good. Some of them are people's names and some of them are movies. Oh, those are really cool icons. Do you think he made them? I feel like he must have. Remember, our designers only have 45 minutes time span to show their work. So a lot of the stuff that our designers have worked out, they've probably worked out off screen before they record. Okay, so these are the line names. We have OR, OD, MO. Whenever I see OR, I think of Oregon, because that's where I'm from. Shout out to, if you guys are from Oregon in the comments, don't say anything. Leave me alone. No. No, I'm teasing. Yeah, say something in the comments. That'd be cool. I like this. Mars Metro. And then we have the little red dot. That's really cool. Interstellar. Apollo. So I'm trying to figure out what the acronyms for the lines must mean, like MA and OR. I think we're on to the wayfinding signage. And I really like how this is working. I think it's like where the two lines connect, the train lines connect. This looks like corn on the cob. Oh, I love corn on the cob. It's been so many years since I had corn. They don't make it in California. You can't get corn in California. It's sad. Oh, okay. This is interesting. He's breaking the circle. Although, what would you guys call that shape? It's like it's basically a rectangle that's been entirely rounded edges. It's more like an oval, but I wouldn't call it an oval either. What would you guys name this shape? An elongated circle, maybe? Okay, here we go. Here are the line names. Odyssey line, Shuttle line, Martian line. Ooh. Do you think maybe there's another, they found Martians on Mars, and the Martian line goes to the Martian city? Okay, that is it from our man Joe. Really good work, man. Let's see the final fruit of his labor, the final work. Fantastic. Here is Joe's train line names. We got Orbital Line, Module Line, Odyssey, Shuttle, Martian, Red Planet, Rocket Man. And here is the logo he created for Mars Metro. I really, really like the two M's next to each other. I think that's a really fantastic idea. Very cool. And here's the train system in a different format. I suppose how it actually goes under the city. Here's some more icons he's created for exit or the water closet, WC. Here's some lines that I suppose would be hanging down from like the roof or the ceiling. The Interstellar line, Apollo 13. Nice. Here's some mock-ups. One small step to Martian line. Oh, that's creative. That's good. All right, awesome. Let's hear what Joe had to say about what he made, shall we?
Hi guys. Thanks for having me into this round. So, the hardest part to this project was probably creating a system that all worked together. I kind of struggled to have a map and a sort of way system that looked the same, but I think I finally got there in the end. I tried to keep it quite colourful and cheerful, and with the station names I feel like it really brings it back to home as well. Good luck to Pedro. May the best man win. Thanks.
Yes, may the best man win. Very cool job, Joe. Really good work. Let's see what your opponent, Pedro, came up with. This is our man, back in Affinity. It's like no man's land of design. No. This is cool. Mars connected. I like how he brought the inspiration down into the work area. It's nice. Ooh, this is looking cool. I really like you see the font for the Mars down below? I really like that R. That R is really cool. Okay. Pedro, his nickname is Life with a Y. Why is it that? Well, he actually produces lo-fi hip-hop beats. And I'm gonna put the link to his Spotify account. Either right here or later when we're... I'll put it here and later. You guys should check it out. I'm gonna go check it out too. Be really cool. Oh, this is looking great. Mars connected. It's got the different color lines. So this must be his logo. Finalized. It's an M. I think Pedro and Joe, their icons, they're pretty different, but they both went for like the idea of M. It's nice. Okay. So the specifications were that they had to create at least 4 lines, which it's kind of a lot, but not that much. Here I am. I'm saying it's not that much. I'm not even doing any of the designs. Mars connected map. You know, I would like to learn Affinity Designer. I'd like to become very good at Affinity Designer, just so that I could be good at both, and then I'd be able to be in a position to tell actually which one I think is better, or which one I like more, or which one, you know, feels faster, more efficient. Because I feel like we have a bias in our head to, when we work with one program, we just assume that, oh yeah, that one's not going to be as good as the program that I use. But it might just because we don't really want to switch programs. But maybe it's possible that Affinity Designer's better. Probably not. No. I'm teasing. Oh, this is cool. Area 51. Hey, didn't that just happen? Didn't the storming Area 51 just finish recently? Let me know. I didn't make it. Because I already live in Area 51. I wonder what Blue Pets is. King David Bowie, Chewbacca Station, Yoga Station, Mr. Spock Ears. Wonder what kind of a place that would be. It's probably just like a market you can buy different shaped ears. Red line, purple line, blue line, yellow line, green line. Look at this. He'll probably make them like dark blue or something. Oh, yep. Woo, called it. Genius. This is looking really good. Don't exactly know what's happening. I feel like we were at... Oh, yeah, okay. He added a gradient to the background pattern that he just added. You know, I think that's really good. It's really efficient because the logo he made like fits within the color circles that he's using for the different train lines. I think that's nice. You know, Pedro, I wonder if, you know how you were spacing all the ones in the list? Does Affinity Designer have the function where like you can put the top one you want and the bottom one and then select all of them and then it will auto space all of the other items in between the list appropriately? So he's creating the list of stations and then the trains that go through that station. That's really good. I like that. I think when we judge design champions, we have to actually look at the map and say, okay, if I'd never been to this city and I looked at this map and, you know, make up something in your head like, I'm at King David Bowie and I want to get to Yoda Station. Does it look clear that I can figure out how to get there? Okay, fantabulous work, Pedro. Design champions, here is Pedro's final logo for the metro system. Mars connected. Let's take a look. Here is his map system on the left. He has it mocked up on the right. Super fresh. And here are some individual lines showing all the stations on the red line and where they connect to different lines. And here are the station names in a row. Very good work. Okay, let's hear what Pedro thought was the most challenging part of the project.
Hi guys, so this challenge was really fun for me. The workflow was really fluid and easy. And I think the most challenging part was probably the colors. First, I thought on using some fluorescent and bright green, contrasting with the black. But then I opted to use more softened colors to give that feeling of peacefulness and tranquility to the people. And yeah, I think the final result is good. I like it and I hope you guys like it too. Peace.
Peace, man. Sick. Okay, Design Chambos, it all comes down to this very moment. It all falls on your mind state. Who do you think should take their place in the final of season 2 of Design Chicken Chicken? Our voting criteria are as follows. Number 1, the Metro System map. Number 2, subway system logo. And number 3, informational clarity. Vote with your head and vote with your hearts. If you can't decide and you need help figuring out who did better, go back to the prompt by checking the link in the description below. Go to the Milanote board, get the information you need to make an informed vote. Okay, best of luck to both of our competitors today. Check out Milanote.com. They've been sponsoring this entire tournament, making it possible to run this 64 global international tournament. Milanote is a really good platform for keeping all of your information organized. It's also a really great way to create a board, and you can get a secret link, and then you can send that link to other people. And in my personal designings for actual clients, I've started making a board for every client and sending them out links to the board so they can always see my progress and I can ask them to review things. And they are putting up $1,000 for the prize pool. I think there's $900 left, which I want to split $600, $300 for first and second place. I think that would be a really good way to give the second place winner, you know, a good chunk of change especially. So if you want to show Milanote some love, and also if you want to check it out for your own business or your own creative endeavors, head over to milanote.com/Zimri and you can get a free membership. And then if you like some of the features, you can get more things if you sign up for a Milanote premium account. But there is a free account, so you can head over there and give it a shot. Okay, Design Champions, stay awesome possum. And I'll see you later, alligator, probably, hopefully tomorrow. I hope you have a really nice day. Bye, guys.